When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd stand alone. It made me smile. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone, but they're back again, just like a long-lost friend. Oh, the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines, every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. It was songs of love that I was into then, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines, every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. Oh, my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can't even make me cry, just like before, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shine, every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shine, every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. Every sha-la-la-la.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remained within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, 'neath the halo turned my collar to the cold, and then when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there disturbed the sounds of silence. Fool said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell and echoes in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to that neon god they named. And the sun flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sun said the words of the prophets are written on that subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.